What are you able to see behind me, dear students? क्या दिख रहा है आपको पीछे? You can see the greatest, one of the biggest, one of the best entrepreneurs ever to have lived on this planet. दुनिया के सबसे अमीरों में से अमीर लोगों में जिनकी गिनती की जाती है, वो लोग यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहे हैं. यहाँ पे वॉरेन बफे है, यहाँ पे स्टीव जॉब्स है, यहाँ पे बिल गेट्स है, अमेज़न के जेफ बेजोस है, फेसबुक के मार्क ज़करबर्ग है एंड गूगल के लैरी पेज भी है. इन सब लोगों में एक बात क्या कॉमन है? क्या इनके पास बहुत पैसा है, ये कॉमन है? क्या इनके पास दे लिव इन यूएस, दैट इज वन कॉमन थिंग? नो. द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एंड द कॉमन फैक्टर इन ऑल ऑफ देम इज इन्होंने टाइम, अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड उनके स्किल्स का सही इस्तेमाल किया है. एंड दैट इज व्हाई दीज पीपल आर वेयर दे आर टुडे. Now, of course, I'm not telling you that you become the Amazon, you become Jeff Bezos, you become the next Bill Gates, you become the next Warren Buffett, you become the next Mark Zuckerberg. What I'm telling everybody is you become the next you. What I'm telling everybody is you become the next you. And to become the next you, dear students, is very important. To make one thing very important to understand for all of us is you need to put in that hard work. You need to put in that smart work. You need to give yourself that commitment. Come what may, I might be hit, I might be down, I might be bored, but make one thing very sure, I'm never going to be defeated in my life. And if you have this challenge for yourself, dear students, make no mistake, nothing can stop. जैसे रिलायंस की कहावत है ना, कर लो दुनिया मुट्ठी में. You can also have the world at your hands, in your fist. And I remember very well, dear students, if not you, nobody can work in your lives. Nobody can make your life better for yourself. It has to be you, you and only you. This was important, dear students, to make you understand very well. 10th, 12th, your future examinations, your professional competency testing examinations are a part of your life. How you prepare for that, that is what going to decide how well you are going to succeed in those examinations. I'm a huge fan of महेंद्र सिंह धोनी. महेंद्र सिंह धोनी हमेशा कहते थे कि आप रिजल्ट्स पे विश्वास मत करो, आप प्रोसेस पे कंसंट्रेट करो. वर्क हार्ड ऑन द प्रोसेस, रिजल्ट्स विल ऑटोमेटिकली टेक केयर ऑफ इटसेल्फ. And this is purposefully to make all my young guns of 10th standard, 12th standard, SSC board, CBSE board, future examinations, CAF, CA, CW, whatever it is, or even for that matter a basic entrance examination, इन सबके लिए ये है. Not just for 10th and 12th, my dear students, I'm sorry, even for students of 1st to 9th, whomsoever can benefit the most from it. And this is where I'm presenting it to you, a very important part for the next month and a half, which is going to be your biggest month in terms of efforts, in terms of studies, and most importantly, how well you accept and flourish. That will decide how good you will be in your life here on. Now dear students, your next month, I mean आज से हम अगर देखा जाए तो it's exactly round about 25 to 28 days roughly for your examinations. You have lot many things running around into your minds. Your anxiety pangs, your stress, your parents are saying something to you, your family members are trying to say something to you, your peer pressure, your friends are telling you some new measures every single day. But make no mistake, dear students, all said and done, when you are into your studies, shut the outer world, close the outer world completely, put lock to it and you be focused. You should be having the sincerity, the commitment like a monk. जो monks होते हैं ना, वो जो हिमालयाज में मेडिटेशन करने के लिए बैठे, वो 10-10 घंटे नहीं, 24-24 घंटे बैठे. They close their ears for the outside world and they're only focused on what's good for them and what's best for them. That's number 2 for the day. Dear students, I'm very sure, and all my YouTube family rather, to everybody whomsoever is listening and watching this video out there, what is going to matter is not how much you put in. What is going to matter is how you put in. Now many students message me, they talk to me on WhatsApp and everything. They always tell me one single thing, सर एक प्रॉब्लम है कि हमारे घर पे हमारे पेरेंट्स, हमारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स, हमारे रिलेटिव्स हमेशा कहते हैं कि सर कि यार आप 5-5, 6-6 घंटे पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए. मेरे पापा कहते हैं सर कि हमारे टाइम पे हम 10-10 घंटे पढ़ाई करते थे. रिस्पेक्ट टू देम. बट येस, टाइम्स हैव चेंज्ड, लाइफ हैज चेंज्ड, देयर इज अ ह्यूज जनरेशन गैप. इसके बीच में आपको क्या बदलना है? आपको भी आपके पढ़ाई करने के तरीके बदलने पड़ेंगे. You also need to change your modes of studies. You also need to change your modes of momentum, of your efforts. What can be the best possible option for this? I personally feel study for bang on 45 minutes. What does this mean, dear students? Clearly I want to say. मतलब क्या है? 5 घंटे पढ़ाई करते हो, रिजल्टेंट इफेक्ट क्या है, आपके रिजल्ट्स क्या है, दैट इज गोइंग टू मैटर, राइट? सो इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट, व्हाट इफ आई टेल यू मेक अ सेशन ऑफ 45 मिनट्स. 45 मिनट्स बैंग ऑन, मोबाइल बाजू में, लैपटॉप बाजू में, सब कुछ बाजू में रखो एंड गिव योरसेल्फ दैट 45 मिनट्स. कुछ भी हो जाए, कुछ भी हो जाए, कुछ भी हो जाए, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू मूव अवे फ्रॉम माई स्टडीज. I am not going to let myself move out of the work at hand. ये 45 minutes चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, I am not letting myself move away. 45 minutes concentration, bang on. You should be sitting at your place. Your mind should be fixed as if some roller has been put on. वो जो हमारे ग्राइंड्स में मशीन्स रहता है ना, that just moves on and on and on and on and on and on. वैसे मशीन की तरह आप बैठो. 45 minutes that concentration. नेक्स्ट 15 मिनट्स टेक ब्रेक. उठो, खेलो, टाइम पास करो, कुछ भी करो. उसमें भी देयर इज वन ऑप्शन आई कैन टेल यू. जस्ट डोंट, वंस योर 45 मिनट्स आर ओवर, एक जगह पे बैठ के, गादी पे लेट के मस्त, बेड पे लेट के मस्त, डोंट कीप ऑन वॉचिंग योर मोबाइल्स बिकॉज दैट विल टेक योर एनर्जीज down. What I want is you all should move within those 15 minutes. क्योंकि 15 मिनट में अगर आप आपके घर में मूव करोगे, you take a big round in your society, that will help you boost your metabolism. How? मूवमेंट के साथ आता है आपका ब्लड सर्कुलेशन बढ़ता है. ब्लड सर्कुलेशन बढ़ने के बाद your metabolism flexes nicely, and once that is being done, my dear students, what will happen the best is your mind will become active. हमारे ब्रेन्स में cortisol नाम का एक हार्मोन होता है, and that is a stress relieving hormone. That is activated, you will feel better and you will be bang on to the next session of 45 minutes. इमेजिन आपने 5 घंटे पढ़ाई की, आपको टारगेट क्या है यार 5 घंटे पढ़ाई के लिए बैठना है. इंस्टेड इफ आई टेल यू 45 मिनट्स पढ़ाई करो, गेट अप, 15 मिनट्स ब्रेक लो, 45 मिनट्स फिर से पढ़ाई करो, 15 मिनट ब्रेक लो, 45 मिनट्स फिर से पढ़ाई करो, 15 मिनट ब्रेक लो. डोंट यू थिंक दिस इज द मोस्ट क्वालिटेटिव यूसेज ऑफ टाइम? यस. And that is why this rule is also called as a 45-minute rule, dear students. You can take this or leave it. Choice is yours. You can have your own methods. You can have your own options. But make it sure, whatever you follow in your life, do it in the best possible manner. And dear students, इसके साथ आपके दूसरे doubts आजकल बहुत आ रहे हैं. Many of the students have been having this thing कि how to revise at the last minute. उसके ऊपर आई एम गोइंग टू मेक अ डिफरेंट वीडियो कॉल्ड एज अ कंसेप्ट चार्ट LMR, लास्ट मिनट रिविजन. स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीडियो एज वेल, यू विल बी अपडेटेड. बट फॉर नाउ इट शुड बी 45 मिनट्स बैंग ऑन. गेट बैक टू 15 मिनट्स ब्रेक, गेट बैक टू योर वर्क. 45 मिनट्स. इमेजिन 6 घंटे मैंने पढ़ाई की, याद कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन 45 मिनट्स के मैंने 5 सेशंस किए बैंग ऑन. आप कुछ भी पूछो, आई एम श्योर अबाउट इट. आप पढ़ते किस लिए हो? मार्क्स के लिए? डोंट स्टडी फॉर मार्क्स, स्टडी फॉर गुड नॉलेज, स्टडी फॉर गुड एजुकेशन, स्टडी टू लर्न समथिंग गुड, एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली study to gain and acquire something which you haven't learned, and that is the beauty of studies. This welcomes me, you can see on the screen bang on over here is this guy called as Will Smith, one of the greatest, the most hardworking, and to be very precise dear students, एक ऐसा बंदा जिसने कुछ ना होते हुए भी he has earned the reputation to be called as one of the richest Hollywood superstars. His name is Will Smith. His name is Will Smith. You can read the quote properly over there. You have two choices. Either you do it the best or you don't do it. Because the world is going to recognize black or white. The world will never recognize the grey line in between. Every morning get up and do yourself. Commit yourself not to results. Commit yourself to a process. Commit yourself to commitment. commit yourself to hard work, because end of the day क्या है पता है आपको, आपके results आएंगे, आपके results जाएंगे, life will be successful, whatever it is, that's a different story, but what will matter is आपको रात को सोते वक्त आपको लगना चाहिए यार I gave my best shot to my day, I had the process, I loved working hard, your efforts will never go waste. एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा जब खुदा भी कहेगा यार ये बंदा बहुत पढ़ाई कर रहा है, बहुत मेहनत कर रहा है, इसको कुछ तो रिजल्ट्स देंगे हम, and that is going to be the successful formula for your greatness in life. So remember everybody, wake up every morning telling yourself that you are the best. Wake up every morning telling yourself that you are the one who's going to do the best possible things, not with an arrogance, not with a sense of absolute disdain, but with a sense of self-belief. क्योंकि मैं अगर कहता हूँ कि I am the best, I need to work like the best. If I don't believe that I am the best, I will never work like the best. So, dear students and everybody, to my YouTube family, whomsoever has been watching this video, make sure time is not something which I am here to tell you about. You know the value of time very well. You know everything in life is all revolving around time. वक्त की बात है, the change is the only constant in life. But make sure, live each day of your life. Remember my words everybody, live each day of your life as if it's the first and the last day. Live each day of your life as if it's the first and the last day. And as Steve Jobs always says has always said in one of his speeches, that stay hungry and stay foolish. I have all the good wishes to all of you. To whomsoever has been watching this video, make sure time is never you are going to go in search of what is the right time. This is the right time. God bless you all. Thank you.